Perspective is one of those subtle tricks that instantly makes a photo bash environment feel massive and believable when applied correctly. Today, how to explore photo bash perspective tricks. Start inside Photoshop by creating a new canvas around 3500 by 2000 pixels and fill the background with a sky color so the scene already suggests depth. Import a road, valley, or city street image and place it across the canvas as the main perspective guide. Use Free Transform to align the horizon line close to the upper third of the frame so the environment feels expansive. Now drag in additional elements such as buildings, mountains, or structures and place them along the natural perspective lines created by the base image. Resize foreground elements slightly